Sound needed to medium travel. Sound is a mechanical wave. Mechanical wave are those waves which needed to medium a travel from a one place to another. Suppose a medium is a black hole of the sound. What happen will be what is speed of sound interior of a black hole? How will we sound travel in a black hole? Today we understand this through some scientific concept and some equations and more now about the speed of sound interior of a black hole. Firstly, we know about the black hole is very dense organ. The black hole density is very high compared to the all matters in our universe. So black hole affect the speed of time and black hole gravity make a time slower and much slower. In a black hole time is very slow, and in a center part of a black hole time is not exist. So the speed of sound will be a black hole will be is very slow, and the speed then the sound come from the center part, then the sound speed will be zero because in a central part of a black hole time will not exist. In a black hole time is not let exist. Sound travel in a very faster speed on a black hole, but in this condition time affect on this speed. In a black hole time will be slow, and time the black hole time is slow at every point. The black hole gravity affected the time, and it's and then the time is become a slower, and then the speed of sound is very make will be make it slower. And then the sound speed come to the central part of a black hole, and then in a central part of a black hole time is not exist. So the speed of sound will be come to the central part of a black hole, so the speed of sound will be zero and make it zero because in a central part of a black hole time will be not exist. So the speed of sound in a central part of a black hole is zero.